just watched another video of somebody complaining about the same thing that I was actually getting on here to complain about. As soon as you open the box, when you get it, it looks like this. Everything's just kind of thrown in there. And I was like, what in the world is going on? So anyway, I picked it up to look at it, and I don't know, I immediately noticed, like, right here, see, like, scratches and stuff like that, like somebody had opened it up before or something. And then down here there is like some kind of white stuff right there. So I was like, oh my god, you know, like this has been used. Because why would it have that? And then when I actually went and started reading the other reviews from other people, it just keeps talking about I received a refurbished or renewed or whatever version of this. So yeah, these aren't new. Don't let them fool you.
I open it up to have it look like. I am pretty sure that this did not come this way originally. Yeah, this is definitely been used before. Yeah, I'm not happy right now. Yeah, it's open. So this is great. I mean, let's see if it works. Let's see if at least it works.
So yeah, I'm just cutting tail lights open. It's just plastic. She's smoking.